what has given XYZ partners sharing profit 3 is to 2 is to 1. Z died. Balance sheet as follows on 31st March. We have capital and current account. Then all entries are to be passed for the partners in their current account. Now, provision for bad debt PBD to be raised at 5% on debtors. Machinery depreciate decreased by 10%. Furniture stock appreciated by 5 and 10%. Advertisement expenses to be carried forward means in revaluation account by advertisement expenses account. This is advertisement account. Goodwill value X and Y are to share future profit and losses in equal proportion 1 is to 1. Next, profit for the year ended March 31st, 2019, 8,16,000 and Z share of profit till the date of death to be determined on the basis of profit for the year ended 2019 and fixed capital method is to be converted into fluctuating capital method by transferring current account to the capital account. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital and Z's executor account to show Z's executor were paid in 2 half-yearly installment plus interest on the unpaid balance. First installment was paid on 31st December 2019. एक बार और पढ़ लो क्वेश्चन पहले. First, this is partner is his share 1/6 period. He died on 30th June. Then what should be the period? 3 months. This is 3/12. First, JAD capital. What is given? 80,000. Current account का बैलेंस भी लिखेंगे लास्ट. Second, interest on capital. Is there any interest on capital to the deceased partner? No, it is not given. Dash sharing profit on the basis of last year profit and it has given 8,16,000. Last year profit is 8,16,000. 8,16 into his share 1/6 into period 3/12. 3 say 4, 24. 34,000. Next, sharing goodwill value. Goodwill valued at 60,000 of the firm. 60,000. His share 1/6. It is 10,000. Fifth, revaluation profit loss. Calculate revaluation profit or loss. Revaluation का profit or loss. Everyone has to calculate. सभी को कैलकुलेट करना है. कैलकुलेट करके बताओ कितना आ रहा है प्रॉफिट या लॉस. Loss. If there is revaluation loss, then only profit is credited. Means there is no revaluation profit. Next, any accumulated profit. Check the balance sheet. Reserve 60,000. 60,000 to X to Y to Z 30 20 10,000. Next, salary or commission, it has not given. Next, debit point. First, Z's current account is it has debit balance. Z's current account 10,000 debit. Next, there is no interest on drawing, no sharing loss because already we have calculated sharing profit. So there is no sharing loss. Next, any revaluation loss, we have said 8,400. X account debit, Y debit, Z account debit, 8,400, 4,200, 2,800, and 1,400. Next, any accumulated loss, it has not given. No old goodwill, कुछ नहीं है. पहले तो एंट्री, no entry for the Z's capital, sharing profit. There are new ratio as given. New ratio 1:1. You have to calculate new minus old gaining ratio. Only Y is gaining partner. When there is change in profit sharing ratio, always entry for the sharing profit gaining partner to deceased partner. Y account debit to Z 34,000 and 34,000. Is it clear? Share in goodwill. X account debit, Y account debit to Z 10,000 and only Y is gaining partner 10,000. रिजर्व की एंट्री हो गई, ये सब एंट्री हो गई. देखो पहले कुछ पूछना है यहाँ पर, सब करेंट अकाउंट में. तो पहले बनेगा करंट अकाउंट, फिर करंट का बैलेंस ट्रांसफर होगा कैपिटल. हाँ, डेबिट है ना, तो उसके पहले तो जेड का जो बैलेंस होगा करंट अकाउंट का वो होगा टू बैलेंस पीडी. अभी बनाएंगे अपन करंट अकाउंट बनाएंगे सबका. पहले एक बार यहाँ तक कंप्लीट करो, मैं कराता हूँ आगे. कंप्लीट करो पहले. Partners current account, by balance BD, to balance BD, X, Y, Z. Z has debit balance 10,000. X and Y have the credit balance 16,000, 5,000. Next, Y account debit to Z, 2Z dash 34,000 by Y dash 34,000. Y to Z 10,000 by Y 10,000. By reserve 30, 20, 10. Two revaluation loss 4,200, 2,800 and 1,400. And last, balance of the current account is to be transferred to their capital account to X capital 30, 46,000, 41,800 to Wise Capital 20, 25, 34, 44, 46, 800, 21, 800 by Wise current account Z 11,400, 34, 20, 54, 42, 600, देखो पहले एक बार यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबका, क्या किया अपन ने? कैपिटल अकाउंट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बाय बैलेंस बीडी 2,40,160 80,000 बैलेंस ऑफ द करंट अकाउंट 2 में है तो बाई में बाई एक्स करंट अकाउंट 41,800 बाई जेड्स करंट अकाउंट 42,600 उधर से यहां पर टू वाइज करंट अकाउंट 21,800 first Z's capital balance is to be transferred to his executor Z 80 122 600 ये आएगा टू Z's executor 1,22,600 remaining partners balance carried down 2,81,800 1,60,000 2,81,800 160 less 22 1,38,200 Yes. Is there any problem in partner's current account and partner's capital account? Are you listening to me? Okay. यहां तक क्लियर है सबका? अभी लोन अकाउंट भी बताना है। यहां तक क्लियर है? सबने कर लिया क्या ये? हाँ। Yes. Next is Jets executor loan account. By Jets capital 1,22,600. Date. He died on 30th June. Transfer on 1st July 2019. What is given? To be paid into half-yearly installment plus interest 10% per annum. First installment was paid on 31st December 2019 after 6 months. First installment on December 31st by interest 1,22,600 into 10% into 6 by 12 because it is half yearly installment. Is it clear? हाँ. Date? हाँ. 2019 जो है 1 जुलाई 30 जून को उसकी डेथ हुई है तो अगले दिन पेमेंट हो गया, बैलेंस ट्रांसफर कर दिया, पेमेंट नहीं। ठीक है? यस, इंटरेस्ट 10% 12 6,130 इंटरेस्ट। तो पहला इंस्टॉलमेंट पेड टू बैंक ऑन December 31, 2019। इंस्टॉलमेंट 1,22,600 divided by 2, 61,300। प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 61,300 प्लस इंटरेस्ट 6,130, 61,667, 430। नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट टू बी पेड ऑन व्हेन? कब पे करना है अगली इंस्टॉलमेंट? 30th June। But before 30th June, there is 31st March. Then what is the unpaid interest on March 31st? And for what period? 3 months. Then first we have to calculate 3-month interest, 2020 March 31st, by interest that is on 61,300 into 10% into 3 months, that is 3 by 12, 0,000, 6,130 divided by 4, 1,533. Then to balance CD, unpaid amount 61,300 balance plus interest 1,533, total is 62,000 8,833, 2020 April 1st, by balance DD 61,300 plus 1,533, total is 62,833. Again 3-month interest, 3 months we have paid, 3 months we have calculated in previous year and 3 months in this current year. On June 30th, by interest 61,300 into 10% into 3/12, that is 1,532. 50 में से पहले अपन ने ज्यादा ले ली थी तो अभी 50 में से कम, टोटल हो रहा 3065. बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो आएगा टू बैंक, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 61,300 प्लस 1533 प्लस 1532. दिस इज 64,365. कंप्लीट जल्दी से खत्म करो. हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. XYZ sharing profit 2:2:1. Their balance sheet on 31st March 2019. Y died on 30th June. Partnership deed provided that goodwill of the firm valued 2 times of the average profit of past 5 years. Profit for the year ended March 31st, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 were 3,20,000 loss, 1,60,000, 2,20,000, 4,40,000. Y share of profit or loss from April 1st to till the date of death on the basis of profit or loss for the year March 31st, 2019. You are required to calculate the following: goodwill of the firm and Y share in goodwill at the time of death, Y share in the profit or loss. Prepare Y's capital at the time of death of partner. First, deceased partner. तीन चीजें. Deceased partner Y died on 30th June, ratio 2:1. This is 2/5. died on 30th June, then period is 3 by 12. First is Y's capital. Y's capital 7 lakh. Interest on capital it has not given. Sharing profit समझना है यहाँ पर, सारी प्रॉब्लम यहीं पर है. What has given on the basis of profit or loss for the year ended 2019, but we have profit of last 4 years of 19, 18, 17, yes, 3,20,000 is loss in 2019. Then there is not sharing profit, there will be sharing loss. Means there is no sharing profit. Next, sharing goodwill value. अब goodwill value में उसका share. How goodwill is to be calculated? 2 times 2-year purchase of the average profit of past 5 years. करो 5 का टोटल. पहले साल में लॉस है तो आगे 160, 260, 220, 480, 980, 10,20,000 plus minus 320. करो कैलकुलेट. I think 7 lakh. वापस देखो. 160, 220, 2, 3, 4, 4,80, 520, 520, 920 less 320, 6 lakh. The total profit or loss of past 5 years, 6 lakh divided by 5, 1,20,000 average 2-year purchase, it is 2,40,000. Goodwill value 2,40,000. Is it clear? Next, revaluation profit, it has not given. Dash, any accumulated profit in your question? Journal ledger 60,000. Journal ledger account debit 2x to y to z 60,000, 5, 24, 24 and 12,000. Next, salary or commission debit. There is no drawings, no interest on drawing. Sharing loss, yes, there is sharing loss. What has given? Sharing loss, past previous year loss is 3,20,000. 3,20,000. His share 2 by 5 period 3 by 12, 3 say 4, 2 say 2, 10, 32,000. Sharing loss 32,000. Next, any accumulated loss? Yes, there is accumulated loss. We have P&L account in asset side. X, Y, Z, 2 P&L, 3,20,000 in 2:1. $1,28,000. There is no old goodwill in our question. Advance to Y means loan to Y. Already we have advanced rupees 7 lakh to Y. This is to be transferred to his capital. Y account debit to loan 7 lakh. ये जो लोन पहले से उसके अकाउंट में वो वापस उसके अकाउंट में एडमिस्ट. Yes, is there anything which you want to ask regarding these calculation and journal entries? Yes. डेबिट में हाँ, सबसे पहले ड्राइंग्स. देर आर 6 पॉइंट इन डेबिट साइड. ड्राइंग्स, ड्राइंग्स इट हैज नॉट गिवन. नहीं नहीं, ड्राइंग्स. No drawings, no interest on drawing. There is sharing loss. Entry is Y account debit, 2 P&L suspense, 32,000. There is no revaluation loss, no entry. Accumulated loss we have debited to XYZ. Loan to Y adjusted to his capital account. Debit credit point. There is X account debit, Z account debit to Y for the goodwill. This is 2,40,000 in which his share is 2 by 5, 96,000, 48 and 20, sorry, 64,000 and 32,000. Yes, you have to complete.